Okay.
Welcome to my house. This house was built in 1910. This is our main living area. And that is Cindy, our parrot. That's Bo, my dog's chair, in the window. I love plants, so there's lots of plants everywhere. All those things against the wall under that painting are the cards that young men come here and play Magic the Gathering and League of Legends and Dungeons and Dragons. Those two statues are from the Philippines. They are Philippine nose flute players. They're really people that do that. Our favorite place to watch TV, our only place to, out in the shop. It's our main living area. The table where everybody can sit, eat, read the paper, create, play, do whatever they like. Nice day today. It's our buffet. My dad made that, and he made the table as well. Plants again.